Hey, it's Chris, and I just found something that you are going to find amazing. In fact, by the time you finish watching this video, you're probably going to want to give me a kiss. Or at least a hug. But regardless, I am about to share with you 11 legit ways to make free PayPal money instantly. So let's jump in. What is up? My name is Chris and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, it's my sole purpose to help you see that you don't need a job, you need an income. So if you want help to build that income, join the family now by subscribing below. Also, for my #1 way to make money online, be sure to go check the link down in the description, benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. All right, so the number 11 place on our list is fieldagent.net. Be sure to put the .net.com goes to a completely different website, but fieldagent.net. So what you're going to be doing with Fieldagent is you do shopping tasks and other mystery shopping around your neighborhood, and then you can earn instant cash into your account with Fieldagent, which you can then transfer to your PayPal account. Now, what kind of tasks are you going to be doing? Well, I'm glad you asked. You're going to be doing things such as taking pictures of displays, looking at pricing, even purchasing items and checking them out just to see exactly how they work. Now, the reason why you will want to do something like this is because large companies use businesses like fieldagent.net to figure out if the products that they are creating is being sold and marketed correctly in local stores, and they do that by having you do the mystery shopping. So when we look at some of the places that they do business with, it's some pretty big companies. We're talking about General Mills, Coca-Cola, Kellogg's, Clorox, Gillette, Nestle, OxyClean. These are some huge companies that will pay Fieldagent to find the people and then in turn pay you right into your PayPal account. This does work worldwide, which is really cool. So let's go down to the bottom. I want to look at the app frequently asked questions, and under other frequently asked questions over here, I wanted to show you this part about where it actually works. It says, in what countries around the world does Fieldagent work? And you can see here it currently works in Australia, Canada, Ecuador, Mexico, South Africa, Spain, and the United States of America. So it works in a lot of different places around the world, and you'd have an opportunity to check it out over at fieldagent.net. Now, number 10 on our list is called Grinderbug.com. Now, this is a pretty old website. I remember doing a review on them years and years ago, and it's a very interesting place for you to be able to also earn some PayPal money. You do kind of something similar to what you did with fieldagent.net, but you're going to be answering surveys, trying different products, even watching videos, and then getting points and participating in giveaways that will then put money into your Grinderbug account, which can then go into your PayPal account. They don't just pay in PayPal. You can also get money through Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, and the cool thing that I really do like about Grinderbug is the fact that they also will pay you in cryptocurrency. You know that's pretty big nowadays. And you can see here, they'll pay you in Bitcoin. I believe they also pay in Ethereum and a few other Bitcoins out there. So just to see that this is a legitimate opportunity, if you click up on the hamburger right up here, and I want to go to recent rewards, and here we can see some of the amount that they've been paying out literally within the last few days. And you can see here, $10 to PayPal, $25 Litecoin. That's a cryptocurrency. $2.50 PayPal, $5 PayPal, $5 PayPal. They have paid out an amazing amount of money, over $500,000 in rewards just since November 14th. So check out Grinderbug.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description so that you can check it out as well. So number 9 on our list is prolific.co. So Prolific is a very effective way for big businesses to figure out behavioral tendencies, user tendencies, and other types of market research on people like you and me, people who are buying the products, the consumers that are out there in the world. These companies want to know as much about us as they possibly can so that they can tailor their marketing, tailor their offers or whatever, so that it can be something that we would want to buy. And you can actually help these companies gather this type of information. Now, Prolific is probably one of the more prestigious ones because you can look here. They work with companies like the University of Oxford, Stanford, the World Bank, the Cancer Researcher UK. It's some pretty big, well-known and notable businesses and schools in the world. Now, from participating in these types of studies in the past, the one thing that you will need to do when you are first signing up is they're going to ask you a whole bunch of questions. It's very important that you are accurate and tell the truth with those different questions, because it's going to be able to classify you so that they know what type of offers, what type of products, what type of behavioral and user and other market research that they can send to you to make sure that they get good and reliable results. And if you lie on it and Prolific finds out, they just kind of get rid of you. So be sure to be very truthful when answering those questions. So to sign up with it, you're not going to do the sign up to research. You want to click on sign up to participate. So you're going to click on this one. And then you're going to click on Take Studies, and from there you just start, just like it says, take part in the engaging research, earn cash, and help improve human knowledge. Now, number 8 on our list is an old favorite of mine. It's a product that I've used actually quite extensively, especially when I was first getting started trying to make some money online, and that is UserTesting.com. So UserTesting allows you to get paid to test websites, and not necessarily testing them from a technical standpoint, but really testing them from a functionality standpoint as a consumer, as someone who just lands on the website and trying to figure out, okay, where do I go from here? Now, basically what you will be doing with user testing is once you sign up, they're going to give you some websites to look at and then figure out, what are you thinking when you see these websites? So for example, they have the guy here who he has his headphones in, and look right here, he says, cool product, I just wish it was easier to search. So that's basically what you will be doing. You land on a website, and if something's weird and not intuitive and it doesn't make sense, you're going to speak it out so that someone on the other side can listen to it and know exactly what they can do to change up their website to make it a little easier to use. And one new thing that they do, which I think is pretty interesting, is they also would like you, if you want, to use a video first approach. So they want to see your facial expressions. They want to see your body language while you are reacting to what it is you're sending, what it is they are sending you as you are looking and perusing these testing websites. So a question I do get asked quite often when it comes to user testing is how much you get paid for it. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to look at contributor FAQs. And there's a question right here, how much do I get paid and when do I get paid? So when we drop this down, let's zoom in just a tad. Rewards range from $4 to $120 per test, and that really depends on the length of the test. For example, from 5-minute tests might pay $4 each, 20-minute tests can be up to $10, and then some much longer video conferencing type schedule tests can get you anywhere from $30 to $120, and you get paid within 7 days. So it's a great service. I've used it pretty extensively in the past, made a decent income from it. It wasn't anything spectacular, but it was something cool to do and be helpful toward other businesses. All right, so number 7 on our list is another favorite of mine, Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr with 2 R's. I'll be sure to, again, put a link down in the description to make this a lot easier. But Fiverr is an absolute favorite of mine because whatever digital skill you happen to have, you can earn an income from it. Even if you don't know that skill very well, you can go on YouTube and learn how to do it and know enough about it to where you can come back on Fiverr, create a profile, and start completing some gigs and making some money right into your PayPal account. So the types of things you can do over here at Fiverr include like a long laundry list of stuff. We're talking about logo design, setting up WordPress, voiceovers, video explainer videos, SEO, illustrations, translation, data entry, book covers, and then the list just kind of continues to go on. So here at the top, you can look at graphic design. Look at all of these options that you can look into. Digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, and lifestyle. There's literally thousands of things that you can learn how to do online. Just find something that you like, that you enjoy, post a profile, and start getting paid for that skill. Number 6 on our list is MyPoints. Now, MyPoints.com is a quick way for you to earn rewards points by shopping at places that are running deals all the time and specials and quick sales. So they pop up these sales, you go and spend money at these places, and then you're going to immediately get some type of rebate, usually in the form of an Amazon gift card or straight to your PayPal account. Now, the reason these companies are pushing these types of sales is because they're trying to drum up business there, and by giving a discount, it's going to get more people to end up shopping there, and you get some pretty good deals in the process. And we're not talking about like little rinky-dink stores. We're talking about real places such as Kohl's, Sears, Barnes & Noble, LL Bean, Old Navy, Sephora, Dell, Overstock.com, Bath & Body Works, The Gap. And even if you don't want to get paid through PayPal, you can redeem your points for places like Saks Fifth Avenue, eBay, Best Buy, Hotels.com, Expedia.com, and even restaurants like TGI Fridays, Olive Garden. And then even better, even if you don't use any of the places that we just listed, you can still get the money put right into your PayPal account and then get the cold hard cash. Now, the number 5 place on our list is PrizeRebel.com. Now, PrizeRebel has a very simple structure. You sign up for a free account, you earn the points by completing opinion surveys and other types of easy offers, and then you redeem the points for PayPal cash, or you can choose from a lot of the different types of gift card opportunities that they have there as well. Now, one thing that I did find interesting about this, let's scroll all the way down to the bottom. We're going to click on the FAQs. And there's an option here for how does this work. Let's scroll in just a little bit. They have a little video that you can check out here, but it's basically a free membership reward site. They've partnered with many different places just to get your opinion on new products and other services that these businesses are offering, and then giving you discounts just for taking the surveys, at which point you can turn them in for all types of brand name gift cards, online game codes, Amazon.com, or straight into your PayPal account. So be sure to watch the video here. It really explains it pretty nicely. Number 4 on our list is Rakuten.com. Rakuten.com is actually very similar to the MyPoints.com that we were just talking about, where you get paid based on different discounts that are being offered at a lot of different stores, and then you get rebates and you can redeem that money into your PayPal account. What also makes Rakuten different is that they have a Chrome extension. So if you use a product like Honey or .com or something in the past, you probably know how this works, but you basically install this Chrome extension on your desktop computer, and anytime you're at one of the websites that can get you a discount, a little pop-up comes up saying, hey, do this to save some money. It's very, very simple. And by the way, I'm not affiliated with any of these companies either, so I'm not making any money. This is just some ways for you to go out there and make some free PayPal money. But installing the Chrome plugin makes it a lot easier for you to find these deals, even if you're not actively looking for them. Now, how sure are you that you're going to get paid by doing this stuff? Well, let's show you right here. They've paid members back over $2 billion in cash back. So the last thing with Rakuten is the fact that you do get a $10 welcome bonus just for joining. So go ahead and join, get that free $10. You don't need to pay. It's a 100% free opportunity here. Again, we're not affiliated with anything, but we will be sure to put a link down in the description so that you can go and check it out. Number 3 on our list is Branded Surveys. You can get to that website by surveys.gobranded.com. So Branded Surveys is another online survey type site that will pay out via gift cards and, of course, PayPal. Now, of all of these survey sites out there, Branded Surveys is probably one of the more popular ones that are out there. In fact, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can look at the Trustpilot here. You can see they have over 43,000 reviews, which is a ridiculous amount of reviews. And even up to 7 hours ago, 8 hours ago, people here are always giving 4 and 5 stars for the most part. Now, Branded Surveys works with some really, really big corporations that need information from people. So, for example, the Harris poll, the Nielsen poll, which talks about how your television watching habits, even JD Power and Associates, you always hear about that in car commercials and everything. They are definitely one of the more respected research firms in the entire industry. So to see how much you normally get paid from these surveys, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I want to look at paid online surveys. You do get a 100 point sign up bonus just for signing up. 100 equals about $1, I believe. So let's scroll down to the bottom here. How much money will I make taking surveys? When you're awarded points, you can convert them to dollars. 100 points equals $1. And the minimum payout is $5, and you can do a withdrawal straight to your PayPal account. So be sure to go check out Branded Surveys. Number 2 on our list is Survey Junkie. Now, Survey Junkie is a very popular survey site, but they are also very well known for paying higher rates for their surveys. And that's really because they do more than just surveys. They do focus groups. They do other type of behavioral research. You know, they really get in the weeds with different companies to try to figure out the most about their potential customers. So other than just doing surveys with Survey Junkie, you're going to be doing other things such as sharing your browsing activity, testing out products, testing out websites, and much more. Now, how Survey Junkie works specifically, we'll scroll all the way down to the section how it works, and you'll see it says you are providing analytics and market research for huge companies that they can make better decisions based on what their customers want. So we're going to click on ways to participate right here, and then gives us a nice little long list about the types of things that you're going to be sharing. So it shows you exactly how to do it. Again, it's all free to join, and you're able to get some free PayPal money right into your account, or you can get it paid out and redeemed in gift cards as well. And number 1 on our list is one of the more popular ways to earn money through your PayPal account, and that's with Swagbucks.com. Now, Swagbucks.com, very, very simple. Just for signing up, they give you a $10 bonus, which is pretty cool, that you can immediately redeem. And just like some of the places we were talking about before, you're going to be completing surveys and doing other types of behavioral type market research. As you can see here, as we zoom in, they've worked with places like BuzzFeed, Save the Student, The Penny Hoarder, ABC, and even the Huffington Post. And then you're going to get free gift cards based on the points that you've earned at places like Walmart, Amazon, PayPal. And this is the cool part that I like so much right here. They've paid out over $628 million to their members. I really like how they turn things on its head, saying put cash back into your wallet. So instead of encouraging people to spend, they're talking about, hey, here's a way to make money. That way you don't have to worry about always losing, but you're also coming ahead. So just to get a little bit more insight exactly on how this works, if you click on how it works over here at the bottom left-hand corner, you simply just join Swagbucks, you earn Swagbucks, and then you turn those in for free gift cards. Nice, simple, straightforward type process. And you can do that through shopping, answering surveys, watching videos, searching the web, even playing games and downloading mobile apps. So it's an amazing place for you to earn some free PayPal money. So be sure to go check them out as well, swagbucks.com. So as amazing as all these places that we just talked about are, they're not going to necessarily make you game-changing, life-changing type money. So if you're looking for a way to make some real passive income so that you can do the things that you want to do, like travel or invest and spend more time with family, you know, be able to do what you want to do when you want to do it, be sure to go check out benjisdad.com. Again, it'll be the first link down in the description. There you can reach out to me personally and we can chat about your goals, and I might even send you one of my free step-by-step trainings where I show you how you can make a significant income online. So be sure to go check that out over at benjisdad.com, and I'll see you there.